Here I am just going through my shop. I gotta make sure everything is on point and still working, right? Pearl's getting kind of low with its weight. I need to wind it soon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a moment here. Something looks a bit fishy. Why, what happened here? What happened to the door of my Wentworth wall clock? Well. Look at that. Look at that. The door got removed. It was because, like, this piece right here actually came loose and it was falling out, so I had to glue it back in, and it seems to be good now. By the time you see this video, the door will be back on. Let's look at this. If any of you know for clock TV, this was actually similar like with this colonial grandfather clock. The door was not on as it was heavily damaged until it got repaired in 2020. So, let's see what this is like. Now that is something. That is surely something indeed. And I still do have the door. There's screws. And they're right here. And there's the key. So I just need to get the door screwed back on and it will be back in its normal form. Just figured I'd show like what a Wentworth wall clock looked like if it didn't have the door on. If you want to check out my actual in-depth video for it, click here. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.